Power is going and coming. That's it. Okay. So now, wait a minute. Okay. So, see, so now we will see about the vector and the stack. So what is meant by vector and stack? So see, both are the legacy classes. So what is meant by legacy classes? That is the old classes. Before 1.2, there is a there means in the 1.2, our collection frameworks was introduced. Before that, what they are using? So they are using the vector, stack, hash table, properties, and dictionary. In the 1.2 versions only, the collection frameworks were introduced. Means in the 1.0, if you want to add any values, or if you want to deal with any if you want to deal with the single object, inside a single object, if you want to add multiple values in the 1.0 to 1.0, so what they are using? So they are using the vector, stack, hash table, properties, and dictionary there. So these are all the classes and interfaces which are used to deal with the multiple objects that time. Okay, but after 1.2 version, collection framework were introduced. What they did, they re-engineered these classes. So what are these classes? That is the vector and stack, and they added this vector and stack into our collection as well. There is dictionary, hash table, and all these things are they have added into our collection framework. Now we can able to see it here inside the collection framework as well. So inside the collection framework, we have two classes, the vector and stack. So they re-engineer these classes, and after that they have added these classes into our collection framework. What is the vector? Vector also having the same properties, whatever properties we have, same properties here as well. Vector is a legacy class. Legacy class means old class. Okay. For 1.2, we have we have many classes like vector and stack. So they these classes are used to deal with the object. If you want to store multiple elements in the single object, so before collection we are using this thing like vector, stack, and all. Okay, so this is the legacy class which was introduced in 1.0. After 1.2, they re-engineer these classes and they have added this into the collection framework. And now where it is present? It is present at the java.util package. Okay, and what is the syntax of that? Vector implements list. And inside the vector we have a many constructor and the many methods are present, and whatever things which are present inside the list interface, whatever method is present inside the list interface or the collection interface, that is come into the vector and this tag. Just now we saw into the array list and the linked list as well. Okay. So same thing which will become as well, and inside the vector we have some extra methods. Like if you want to add any element, you can add with the help of add element method, or you can add with the help of add method as well. Either you can use add element or you can use the add method as well. First element, it will retrieve the first element. It will last elements, it will return the last element. Remove elements, if you want to remove any element, it will remove the element. Remove element at, if you want to remove the element on the base of index, you can remove the element. Remove all elements means it is work like a clear method we just saw. No? It will work like that. And capacity means sim like a means what is the capacity of that vector now? It will tell the capacity. Now we will try to create a vector. So how to create a vector? Just create an object, our vector will be created. This is a V, okay. Add, okay, V dot add. So I'm adding simple 10 here. Okay, you can add with the help of add method, or you can use another method here. That is the add element. Okay, if you are adding with the help of this method also, you can able to add this one. Java if I add here, so we can able to add. V dot add, if I add another thing, suppose add all method why we are using. If you want to add the all element of the another collection, that time we are using the add all method. Suppose if I want to add another thing here, add method. Suppose I am writing here, okay, float value I will add 1.2 f, okay, this time. And suppose if I want to add character, so suppose Babu's B I am adding here, okay, okay, Babu. Okay, after that V dot add element. No, bro. Java I have added no before string. Okay, the string all means element I have false I will add here. Okay, so this type element we added. If I want to print this one, simply will come here and we will print V here. If I run this one, all the things will be printed here. Okay, which order it is following? See, first we added 10, so it is adding 10. Java, so Java 1.2, so 1.2. If I add duplicate element as well here, copy, can it will be allowed? No, it is allowing that. Okay, After that, another thing is that if I want to add the null value here, we dot add, and here if I add null, okay. If I run this one, so null value we can able to add it here. If I add multiple null values, can we able to add that? Because null is a value only, right? So if I run this one now, null we can able to edit here. Okay, insertion order, it is following, it is an index based data structure. We can add heterogeneous type of data as well here. Duplicate element also we can add. Multiple null values we can able to add it here. Insertion order, sorting order, it will follow. No, sorting vector does not follow the sorting order, but it is a synchronized selection. This is only the difference. Only the array list and the linked list are the non-synchronized, but vector is a synchronized collection. Okay. If I want the first element, so for that I will simply use the first element first element method. System dot out I will write, and here I will write first element. So 10 we are getting on the console. Okay. Last element, if you want, simply you can use last element. Remove element on the place of index or the object, you can use these two methods. I have to show that. Can I show you, or you can do this?
Capacity.
You can do this. Okay. Okay. So capacity means C. This is the capacity. V dot capacity. So initial capacity and all it is here only. If I print it here, 10 is printing on the console. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So 10 it is printing on this number. Okay. Is the 10 size only. After that we have a stack. So what do you mean by stack? Inside a stack also we have a same properties, whatever properties we have. So we have here inside the stack as well. And stack is implements. Stack is extends the vector. Okay. Stack is extends the vector. See here the hierarchy as well. See, both are the classes only, and for the classes and classes we are what we are using extends, right? If I want to extend, if you want to inherit class into the class, for that we are using the extend. Inheritance into the inheritance, sorry, interface into the interface means extends. Interface into the class means implements, right? So this is the thing we have to use here. So here stack is extends the vectors, means whatever property the stack vector have, it will become into the stack. Inside the stack also we can use the add method, add element method, as well as the another method inside we have here, that is the push, pop, pick, search, and the empty. Okay. So here stack, how it will be, means we are declaring the stack. So stack is a legacy classes which is also introduced in the JDK 1.0. Now it is added into the collection framework. It is a child class of our vector class, we can say that, and it is present inside the java.util package. If we talk about the syntax, stack extends vector. Okay, it is extends the vector by the hierarchy. Also we can see that inside this one, whatever methods are present inside the vector or the collection or the list, that all the methods will come into our stack. Okay, and stack have some extra method as well, that is the push, pop, and all that we will see now. Okay, what is the underlying data structure of the vector? It's a global array. Okay, so here if we come here and if I show you how we can add the element into the stack. Okay, it is not. Okay. Now we will try to create a stack first. So we will come here. How will we create a stack? Yes, by creating an object, new stack. It is gone. Up and you can close. Bro, don't do that. Don't do that. Nothing will happen. Okay. So stack is easy only.